Hi guys, my name is Chung and I'm here just to do a quick video of a simple technique to paint trees using the fan brush, which I'll show you here. What you need to do is just to create some nice effects using the fan brush by double loading the brush with two colours. So what you do is dab one side of the brush with a kind of a dark green, and then on the other side of more of a sunlight type green. And I'll just get straight to the technique here. What you need to do is just lay the colours, rocking from sort of side to side. As you can see, the sunlit side is much lighter. Just load the brush again. Dark green on one side and more of a lighter green on the other. And just work your way downwards. And what I'm doing here is creating a tree just without a trunk, and then I'll show you another technique. I'll show you the technique with a tree trunk. As you can see. I'll just create a second tree, and this time with the darker side overlapping the sunlit side of the first tree. Put a bit more paint on that. And just rock from side to side. So make this side a bit more darker. Just going to work on the first tree again, just to make this side a bit more darker, to get a bit more of a darker tone, to create that sort of variation between the darker and lighter tone. I'm just going to create some foreground grass. So I'm using a bit more of a darker tone here. Okay, this time I'm going to show you how to use the same technique but with a tree trunk. So what I'm going to do now is paint the tree trunk first in one simple stroke from bottom towards the up. Slowly lift up, load up some more paint. Just going to create some branches here. So just allow the tree trunk to dry a little bit, and then so once you finish with that, then go back to your fan brush, and what you need to do is just use the just apply some of the brighter sunlit green, and start to add in the foliage, keeping the effect reasonably quite light at this stage. Just work your way over the branches. As you can see, I'm just working quite light at the moment. Okay, and then go to your your darker green. So when I'm doing this, I'm just rocking the fan brush, rather than using the whole width of the brush. I'm just lightly dabbing on sort of the one side of it. And you can sort of flick upwards as well a little bit, just to extend the stroke slightly. You don't want to cover it too much, you just want to slightly reveal some parts of the branches, just so that you can show the structure of the tree. Add a bit more dark tone to the ground area. It's quite a bit of a shadow. there you go. It's a nice simple demonstration of how to paint a tree using the fan brush. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and for more videos. Thank you.